Hi there! If you're committed to eating healthier and are looking for a step-by-step plan to help you move forward, this video is for you. I'm Smita Dhelia and have been following this very effective plan for 7+ years. The best part, there are no forbidden foods or drinks. Step 5 is my absolute favorite, so make sure you stick around for that. So let's get started. Step 1. Make one healthier swap at a time. It's easy to think that you need to change everything you eat overnight, and that's where it gets overwhelming. Instead, focus on making one healthier swap at a time. Maybe have a healthier late afternoon snack, or replace the sugary drinks with sparkling water or plain water, or even a smaller serving of the drink you're used to. As you get comfortable with the first swap, add the next one. As that becomes a part of your routine, add the next one. These small changes add up over time and make healthier eating sustainable without being overwhelming. Step 2. Tune into your hunger. Eat only when you're hungry and not because of the mood you're in, boredom, stress, happiness, or out of habit because you're watching TV or because you see your favorite food. I suggest next time you're reaching out for something to eat, ask yourself, am I really hungry? And eat only if the answer is yes. Step 3. Focus on progress, not perfection. Healthy eating is a journey and a challenging one, so it helps if our focus is on the progress we are making. If easier, feel free to start with a swap 3 to 5 times a week. As you get comfortable with it, you will see it sneaking into other days of the week as well. If at any point you catch yourself going back to your old habits, don't fret about it. Just hit reset and move on. Step 4. Plan ahead. Whether cooking at home, ordering in, or eating out, a little planning goes a long way in increasing the chances of us making choices that align with our healthy eating goals and avoiding last-minute temptations. I suggest, at the end of the day or every morning, spend 5 minutes planning the meals for the following day or that day. Step 5. Make room for treats guilt-free in your food plan. Didn't I say there are no forbidden foods or drinks in this plan? In fact, I encourage you to think of foods you really savor, you really enjoy, and sprinkle them in your food plan. So what that does is it helps you stay on track the rest of the time, and because you're planning ahead, it's easier for you to have your indulgent foods in moderation. In this video here, I share how I applied this 5-step plan to my personal life, and in this video here, I share 5 proven tips to help you actually get active and moving. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.